How to merge PDF files for free? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a single PDF document out of multiple files completely for free without having to use Adobe. If this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. On my desktop, I have two PDFs, one that says page 1 and another one that says page 2. We're going to put them together into a single PDF file. To do this, download the program PDF Gear. It's completely free. Although I'm downloading it on a Mac here, you can also get it on Windows. Once the program finishes installing, go ahead and open it. Then click on Merge and Split. From there, click Merge PDF, Add Files, and select the PDF documents that you would like to merge together. You can optionally set the output path, and then click Merge. I chose my desktop. After merging, you will get one file that, when opened, has both documents included within it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.